Today is a great day for all the history of the UIS and for the students of this university. Before saying a word, I would like to take a moment to thank Dr. Jekyll, the president of the university, and Dr. Malaki, the former president, Dr. Burham, the founder of the university, the board of trustees, Mr. Gert, for putting a lot of effort in this to make this day possible, Mr. Karwan, Mr. Oliver, Dr. Vincent McGuire, the former head of international studies, and Ms. Rachel, the head of IT department, and every single person who made this day possible. And I'd like to take a moment to thank you, not by words, but by my feelings, to thank you all to participate in this election and to make the Student Association possible to happen in this university. I'd like to wholeheartedly thank every single person who participated in the election, more particularly those dear friends who held the campaign respectfully with a great manner of friendship. Today, AUS is recording a historical day. We are not only recording this day for our university, but we are eyewitnessing something that we are going to be the role model of the whole region. Today, we are going to start the process of democratization in this university. Today, we are going to swear and we are going to confirm that we will be at the bridge between you, the students, and we, as the senators and the Student Association of the university. Once more from this platform, I would like to tell you and affirm and acknowledge the fact that I promised before with my senators that the word I will be removed from now here, that we, as the family of the Student Association, are going to serve you for every single step that we can do that's possible with the help of the administration and the presidency of the university and the board of trustees. And before saying a lot, and before taking your time a lot, once more I would like to thank you all. And one more thing, before the election and during the campaign, no matter who you vote for, no matter who you work for, what's important now is we are all going to support the same mission. The commission is moving forward. It's moving forward not because of me, not because of my senators, but because of the greatness of you. The commission is moving forward because we promise that you're going to hold something greater than anything else, which is friendship and the mission that you are going to be a better place for all of us. And you are a better place and be a role model and exemplary greatness for the whole region. Thank you very much. Once more, congratulate my dear senators and congratulate all for the first Student Association of the American University of Pakistan. I love you all. Thank you so much.